Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Linda if you are new here, and on my channel I am trying to figure out how to be more healthy in my ingredients that I cook with and that I prepare our family food with. Today we are making pickles together. It tasted gross. To start off with easy, basic refrigerator pickles, you're going to need 1 1/4 cup of distilled white vinegar. It's a little over. Oh my gosh, it's like 1 1/2 cups. Close enough. And this recipe says use a stainless steel pot. And another thing we're going to need that I might as well grab right away is 2 cups of water, because after this is done. So our next step, we have our water for when this is done. Our next step is to add 3 tablespoons of salt. Does anybody else get the yick when they open that? I hate that. All right, 3 tablespoons salt. You probably hear my dog down there. It's going nuts. 1. 2. 3. And then 2 tablespoons of sugar. While we heat this over high heat, we are going to slice our cucumbers and get them ready. It says high heat until it dissolves. Our next step is 6 heads of garlic. And you're just gonna, you want the big ones, then you cut them in half. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6. We'll do 8 or 9, whatever that turned out to be. He is losing it. Fun fact is, I have never even worked with real garlic cloves until I was 38 years old. Isn't that freaking wild? All right, I'm going to line up my jars in front of me, so I'm assuming I'm gonna get 4 pint jars. And that will be a delicious treat we have in our fridge. I just checked our brine and that is still not dissolved. So I'm just going to rip these in half and we're going to split them between my jars. You guys can't see, but I'm cutting them. I just want to say I think it's so crazy how in my life I'm not affected by the hurricane, but in a world away in Florida, like they're getting prepared to be pummeled again. It's quite crazy. And my prayers are definitely with everybody in Florida that they get out and they're safe. It's just wild to me how we can be worlds away. And how it's just one time I am grateful to live in Wisconsin. So they say you need 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. And I'm just gonna do what I feel is right. So here is 1 teaspoon. Sprinkle, sprinkle. I might do 2 teaspoons. And they did say it to do this way. Like get your jars ready and I don't know if I'm gonna need another jar. I don't know how many cucumber. I don't know what I'm doing. I might do the spears because they are easier for us to try. And last time, like I still have 1 jar of pickles left. And we eat them. But those ones are like sliced. I didn't know what I was doing. So now we have the coriander seed and that says 2 tablespoons. But 4 teaspoons is 2 tablespoons in my mind. Okay. Now I have my fresh dill I got from Walmart for this because I definitely, after I tried those pickles, I wanted to try again. I'm like, delicious. Who would have known? Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we have a visitor. Princess. 1, 2, 3. I really wonder how many pickles we're going to get. I feel like I'm going to get, doing the spears, I really feel like I should grab 2 more jars. Eek. Let's do a test run and just see what we get for pickles. Like what 1 cucumber will get us. Since I'm doing the spears, I'm gonna cut. We're just gonna do a test run. Let me check on my brine. I love you, babe. Everyone upstairs? Yeah. Okay. It's almost all dissolved. So that is beautiful. And they said stuff them. So I'm thinking I got 4 jars. I think that's going to be enough. Oh, Princess! Girl, what is going on with... Yesterday I yelled at her. She was in my way. I don't know what she's going after. I'm going to stick more dill in. I really kind of just want to see what this looks like for me. My cucumbers are not pickling cucumbers. My cucumbers are from Walmart. I'm really interested. I wonder if that's all. Because then afterwards you have to switch it into a cup. Alright. Ooh, that vinegar, I'm telling you. I think I'm going to bring it over here. I'm like going to choke on the fumes. I have never ever in my life cooked vinegar. So here we go. It did say if you need more of the brine, just add cold water. Yeah, Princess, drink that, girl. I know, that's what I said. It's nasty, Mama. Like, all I have right now on my For You page is just people evacuating from Milton. It's crazy. I am so blessed I'm inland, but I'm also so sad that we're going through this as a country right now and not like political and the people of this country. Screw the government, right? We have to shove the pickles. I think we're going to do good. We might get like a 4th jar, which is fine. I'll cut some more garlic. We're going to see. I never knew my family was pickle eaters until I made homemade pickles. We'll probably need a 4th jar, only because I want this big old English cucumber too. Don't let no one tell you what kind of cucumbers you need. Do you? These aren't pickling cucumbers and they worked just fine for me last time. And it's an easy, quick recipe. You get it all done and put together. And you have a beautiful jar of pickles. Maybe 2 more jars. We're going to see what I can shove. You could even gift these. What I really want to do is vanilla. I hope I can, come on baby, get my life together in time for, like, I won't be able to gift it, but I will be able to make it, and that's what I want to do. Vanilla extract, homemade. Almond extract, homemade. I wonder how you do the lemon extract. Shove in one more. I definitely think we're going to need 1 more jar. So I'm going to go get the jar. And we're going to prep it. I'm going to cut these in half so they fit. Does this jar, maybe 1 more in this jar. I could just eat these cucumbers right now. I'm hungry. I think that's good. Let me grab 1 more jar. This is the benefit of having a canner. So, I'm going to do a baby, like half a teaspoon of this. So excited. Look how easy this was, you guys. You definitely have to give it a try. I mean, if you have absolutely nothing, I could definitely get why it's like, it's a lot to like invest in the mason jars. It's a lot to invest in the product. So we're going to do a bunch of these springs in here. It's this jar. And then I'm just going to do this. A little bit for everybody. You know, just a little extra. I don't know how much we put. That one looks good. We'll just, I don't know what to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We did it. My dill is used. And then today, after I'm done with this project, I'm going to do homemade pumpkin fudge. That will be fun. Then I think tomorrow I'll do pumpkin cookies or pumpkin muffins, something like that. You guys are going to see those videos first. Because hello, it is fall. Get in there. And then whatever doesn't fit in that guy, I'll eat. That is so serious. I love, love, love pickles. And I love that I'm making them. If you watch back in my videos, like when I first got my canner, I was so scared. Now, I haven't ate anything from my canner, and I don't care if people say it's only good for a year. It's going to stay up there until after November. Because I am not messing around with people. This election year is wild. We should do homemade toilet paper. I heard with, these are some fatties. I heard with the hurricanes that people were like panic buying, toilet paper again. I don't blame anybody for anything in this crazy world. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to eat one of these. And that's fine. I love cucumber. Let's give it to the dogs. Trudy, booty! Trudy, who the baby? Who the baby, Toots? Here, Tad. You the baby, Tuesday. I the old baby. I the old baby man. Okay. They say if you need more brine to open it up. You guys, this is a short video because pickles are freaking easy. All right. I'm going to get a cup measurer. Oh, I don't know. They said pour it into a bowl. You want to know what I wonder? Because I'm working on all of my cylinders right now. But if I put this like this might help me. I'm working. My whole brain is working. You guys, I don't think this is enough brine. They lied. Okay, we're gonna shove. Ain't that something? How they lie to you. It's fine, we'll just do the recipe again. I don't like being lied to. So I have 2 of these. Now I have to do this. I'm probably gonna do my own recipe right now. This is what I mean. Do what you gotta do, princess. We're gonna do 1 3/4 cup. We're gonna just lies, I tell you. Princess. Princess, baby. Did they lie to your mother? What do you think of all this stuff? I was mad at you yesterday, wasn't I? So you're probably like, oh yeah, you're being nice to me today. Cats do what they want. Oh my gosh, I thought that was a bug. Oh, it was a bubble. False alarm. Okay, instant replay. We're gonna crank the heat. I'm gonna do 3 cups of water. I need to make sure I can fill these to the top. You want them filled to the top to prevent molding. Or is that, I don't know. That's just what I heard. And I'm gonna get some ranch and have a snack while we wait. Got my water. I got the heat on high. Going to cut me a pickle. I'm really excited for these. We'll let them refrigerate into probably for a couple days. This is my jar of sweet pickles we have left. I'll come show you. Sweet pickles. All right, open this up. Love, love, love this. My co-worker at work brought me a jar of pickles. I'm gonna miss him. I'm on LOA right now. They definitely get sweeter with time. I don't know how long it's been since I made this. Whew. And they're still crunchy. You hear that crunch? Very sweet. Very like... We had a medical emergency at the last weekend of September. And while I'm filming this, this is the 8th of October. And I explained the situation to my boss. And then she was like, I was so great that I was so freaking flabbergasted that after, when I came back to work one day, Thursday, I said, yes, I'll be there. Let's chat and stir. I said, yes, I'll be there on Thursday. That was one day she said she couldn't cover for me. So I went into work and she's like, what about your Friday and your Saturday? And I'm like, obviously anybody who is just released from the hospital has a follow-up doctor's appointment pretty much right thereafter, right? Why lie and tell me you got me? And then the kicker is, the other big boss calls and says, oh no, she's got you all covered. So what one is it? Weird. So I'm on LOA. If I return back with the Starbucks company, I will go to a different store. All right, so my liquid is beautiful. Let's go back over there. Okay. So now we have our water. I did 3 cups water and 1 3/4 cups vinegar. I also did the same measurements for salt. 3 tablespoons salt, 2 tablespoons sugar. Okay, guys? If you don't like the way this turns out, you can't blame me because I got this off of a recipe. Off of a website. I did get a lot of views though. Now, everything's not going to be able to fit in here, which is 100% okay. If I have to make a 3rd pickle brine, I will be perplexed. Get in there, buddy. This type of stuff makes my heart happy. I don't think I'll get a lot of views on YouTube doing it, but I don't know. I also want to do what's for dinners. I think I'm too, look at that. I don't think I'm going to have enough for a 2nd jar of pickles. They said, shove your pickles in. I hope I have enough. I don't want to make more. And you want to know what's funny is the sweet pickles recipe was like too much brine. I'm sad. I think I might just add water to this last one. Yeah, I'll just add some water, and I'm going to mark that one. I'm going to need more wide-mouth jars. Lids. More wide-mouth jar lids. It's okay, though. Because, I mean, do I really need them? No, I haven't canned with them, but I will. We're just going to top it off with water, everybody. I really don't need that, do I? But it's okay. We like to pretend. So they're all topped off with water. I'm going to I left a little spot in this video. I noticed I don't finish thoughts. Just hang in there with me. I noticed I left a little spot in this video so I could do a voiceover to let you guys know in the future. You probably won't see this until the end of October. Or even into November. But I left a little spot in this video to let you guys know how these pickles turn out. And look at that, just like that, 5 quarts. It literally took me 33 minutes. Cannot wait to try these. Alright, this is garbage. But like I said, doing these type of videos I don't think are going to make me popular. But they make my heart happy. So I mean, there's that. And you know what? Who cares if I ever make it on YouTube and be like, I'm making money. It makes my heart happy to make these videos and share because I know how scared I was. Like with anything. Pie crust, my sister told me one time, pie crust is the hardest thing that you'll ever make, right? And she's like, make it for Thanksgiving dinner. And I was like, Bia, what are you talking about? Like you just said it's the hardest thing I'll ever make. It took me so long to ever just make the pie crust. Yeah. Life's like that sometimes. So it took me a long time to make the pie crust because she said it was the hardest thing she's ever made, so I didn't think I could do it. And now I won't ever make anything but homemade pie crust. There's a moral to that story, you know? I gotta hand wash that. But I'm just saying, I make these videos so if somebody out there is like me and is scared, it's like, don't be scared. We can do it together. If I can do homemade pie crust and I can do homemade pickles and I can do this, you can too. Definitely can too. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching and sticking it out with me. I hope you have a beautiful and blessed day. Everybody in Florida, I am so sorry you guys have went through this devastation. Everybody in North Carolina, anywhere where these storms are affected, my heart and gratitude and faith goes out to you and your family, and the rest of the world loves you guys. Our world loves each other. It is the government that wants us to fight. So just remember that. Love you guys.